Hello, and welcome to our deep dive into the health and fitness of soldiers from around the world. In this video, we will explore how different countries prioritize the physical and mental well-being of their military personnel. Health and fitness are crucial elements in any army's strength and effectiveness, but the approach to achieving this varies significantly across the globe. We will journey through the training regimes, dietary plans, and mental health support systems of some of the world's most formidable armies. From the United States to Russia, China, and India, we'll uncover the secrets behind their soldiers' peak physical condition. So get ready, as we delve into the world of global warriors, and explore the unseen battlefront of health and fitness in the military. Stay tuned, and let's get started. The strongest armies in the world are not built on weapons alone. They rely on the health and fitness of their soldiers, an unseen battlefront that is equally critical. Health and fitness in the military are not just about endurance and strength. It's about maintaining a combat-ready force. It's about soldiers being at their peak physical condition, ready to answer the call of duty at a moment's notice. Different countries have unique approaches to ensuring their soldiers are fit and healthy. From the rigorous training regimes to the carefully curated diets, each element contributes to a soldier's overall well-being and readiness. It's a complex, multifaceted issue, with physical training, mental health, and nutrition all playing their part in keeping soldiers in fighting form. The pursuit of health and fitness in the military is a constant journey, a never-ending battle to stay one step ahead. Now, let's delve into the fitness regimes of different countries' militaries. When we think of military might, the US and Russia often come to mind. But how do these superpowers keep their soldiers fit and ready for battle? The United States and Russia, two global powerhouses, approach military fitness with slightly varying perspectives, each tailored to their unique strategic needs and cultural beliefs. Let's delve a little deeper into their fitness regimes to understand this better. On one hand, the United States military emphasizes a comprehensive fitness approach. This includes a healthy balance of strength, endurance, and flexibility. Strength training targets the development of lean muscle mass, integral for carrying heavy equipment and handling physically demanding tasks. Endurance exercises, on the other hand, ensure that soldiers can sustain their energy and focus during long, grueling missions. The US military also recognizes the importance of flexibility in reducing the risk of injuries and promoting overall physical wellness. Soldiers engage in activities such as yoga and Pilates, designed to enhance their agility, range of motion, and resilience. On the flip side, the Russian military places a strong emphasis on ruggedness and durability. Their training programs are designed to foster robust physicality and mental toughness, enabling soldiers to withstand harsh conditions and demanding situations. This approach stems from Russia's historical experiences and its geographical expanse, characterized by diverse and often extreme climates. The training is intense, often incorporating elements of martial arts, obstacle courses, and survival tactics. The goal? To create soldiers who are not just physically strong, but also capable of enduring hardships and overcoming adversities. While these fitness regimes may seem different at first glance, they are underpinned by a common understanding. Fitness is crucial to military effectiveness. The US and Russia, despite their differing approaches, understand that physical fitness goes beyond mere athleticism. It's about creating soldiers who are physically capable, mentally resilient, and ready to face the challenges that come their way. In essence, both nations prioritize fitness as a key component of their military strength. It's not just about the size of the army, but the strength and resilience of each soldier. It's about ensuring that those who serve are not just soldiers but super soldiers, ready to protect and serve their nations. While different in approach, both nations prioritize fitness as a key component of their military strength. Moving to the east, let's examine the fitness regimes of the Chinese and Indian militaries. When we look at China, we find a military training regimen that is as rigorous as it is disciplined. The Chinese military has a long-standing tradition of incorporating martial arts into their training. This isn't just for show or tradition's sake. Martial arts is a powerful tool for building strength, agility, and endurance, all while instilling a sense of discipline and respect for the art of combat. Now, this isn't to say that every Chinese soldier is a black belt, but the principles of martial arts permeate their training. They focus on endurance, pushing their soldiers to the limits to ensure they can withstand the rigors of warfare. It's a tough, no-nonsense approach that reflects China's strategic focus on discipline and resilience. In contrast, India's military takes a slightly different approach. While physical training is undoubtedly essential, the Indian military puts a significant emphasis on a holistic approach to fitness. This means incorporating practices like yoga and meditation into their training routines. Yoga, a practice that originated in India, is used to improve flexibility, balance, and core strength. Simultaneously, meditation is employed to help soldiers maintain mental clarity and focus, even amidst the chaos of battle. It's a balanced approach that recognizes the importance of mental fitness alongside physical prowess. It's also a testament to India's cultural heritage and shows how they've adapted these practices for the modern battlefield. So we see two different strategies at play here. China's rigorous, disciplined approach, heavily influenced by martial arts and a focus on endurance, and India's holistic approach, blending physical training with practices aimed at improving mental well-being. Again, we see differing strategies, yet a unified goal: to build fit, capable soldiers. It's a reminder that there are many paths to the same destination, and that fitness, in all its forms, is a critical component of military readiness. Of course, physical training is only half the battle. Nutrition plays an equally vital role in maintaining a soldier's health and performance. Proper nutrition fuels the body, equipping soldiers with the energy they need to stay alert, agile, and resilient in the face of grueling physical and mental demands. Every country's military has its unique dietary practices, often reflective of cultural preferences and available resources. For instance, a typical American soldier's diet might be rich in protein with a focus on lean meats, while a Russian soldier might lean toward hearty meals like stews and breads to withstand harsh climates. Meanwhile, in countries like India and China, diets may be more plant-based, incorporating a variety of grains, legumes, and vegetables. Regardless of the specific foods consumed, the underlying principle remains the same. Nutrition is a crucial component of military training and readiness. After all, an army marches on its stomach. As we've seen, health and fitness in the military is a complex and fascinating topic, with different countries employing unique strategies to keep their soldiers in top shape. From the rigorous training regimes of the United States and Russia, to the unique dietary practices in China and India, we've journeyed across the globe to understand how our soldiers stay fit for duty. The role of nutrition cannot be overstated. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health and stamina of the soldiers, ensuring they are always ready for action. Every country has its own unique approach, but the common thread is the understanding that a well-nourished soldier is an effective soldier. In conclusion, the health and wellness of our soldiers is a testament to the dedication and discipline inherent in military life. The diverse approaches we've explored today highlight the importance of physical fitness and nutrition in the military. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And why not leave a comment below with your thoughts on military fitness regimes? Remember, every great army is built on a foundation of health and fitness. Until next time, stay fit and stay healthy.